big news for Galaxy S24 users. Your phone is about to get a major upgrade with the official Android 16-based One UI 8 update. If you've been waiting to see when Samsung will finally roll it out, I've got the full details for you. Samsung has already started pushing One UI 8 to the Galaxy S25 series on September 15th, and now the S24 lineup is next in line. The S24 series includes the S24, S24 Plus, S24 Ultra, and the S24 FE. The main three models, S24, S24 Plus, and Ultra, will get the update together, while the S24 FE might be delayed just a little. To recap, the Galaxy S24 family launched with Android 14 and One UI 6.1, then jumped to Android 15 with One UI 7 earlier this year. Now, One UI 8 will be their second big OS upgrade, bringing Android 16 with a bunch of new features, smoother performance, and Samsung's promise of 7 years of updates. So when's it coming? Samsung's official schedule lists October 2025 for the Galaxy S24 lineup. However, leaks suggest that the rollout could actually begin as early as September 25th, so you might get it even sooner. Just keep in mind, the release can shift if Samsung finds any last-minute bugs or security issues during testing. And for Galaxy S23 owners, good news. You're also on the list, but your official One UI 8 rollout is planned for October as well, right after the S24 series. The Galaxy S24 series is about to get a massive upgrade with One UI 8, and you could be among the first to experience Android 16 on your phone. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss my deep dive into the best hidden features of One UI 8 when it finally lands. Trust me, you'll want to know how to unlock its full potential.